If you've ever pulled back your cheek in the mirror just to remember what firmer skin once looked like, you're not alone. Thousands of women have shared that exact moment. Some describe it as humorous, like going from grape to raisin. Others see it as a wake-up call. One woman wrote, "I paused the video to make a fruit smoothie." Another said, "I'm in my 60s and just started eating more mangoes. My skin already feels smoother." What do these stories have in common? A growing realization that nutrition, not needles, may hold the key to aging with grace. Collagen, the protein that gives skin its firmness and elasticity, naturally declines as we age, especially after menopause. But according to studies published in Nutrients and the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology, certain fruits can stimulate the body's ability to maintain and even restore collagen integrity. Vitamin C, polyphenol, and carotenoids found in guava, kiwi, papaya, and mango don't just nourish your body. They may help rebuild the skin from within. /in/in, this isn't about trends. It's about evidence. About how compounds in fruit can support collagen-producing fibroblasts, combat free radical damage, and reduce inflammation, all without side effects. /in/in over the next few minutes. We'll explore what the research shows, what real women have experienced, and how small changes, like adding citrus to your water or a handful of berries to your oatmeal, can help your skin feel less tired, less dry, and more like you again. /in/in, because while no fruit can turn back time, the right ones may help you move forward, stronger, brighter, and more confident in your skin. What is collagen and why does it matter? Collagen is the most abundant structural protein in the human body, accounting for nearly 1/3 of total protein mass. It serves as the biological scaffold that provides structure, strength, and resilience to tissues including the skin, bones, tendons, cartilage, ligaments, and blood vessels. In skin, collagen functions like the internal mesh that maintains firmness, smoothness, and hydration. It works alongside elastin and hyaluronic acid to preserve youthful skin texture and elasticity. But collagen's importance extends far beyond aesthetics. It plays critical roles in joint flexibility, wound healing, and even gut integrity. As we age, collagen production declines steadily. By the time a woman reaches her early 60s, research shows she may have lost up to 45 to 50% of her original collagen content. This age-related breakdown, often exacerbated by hormonal changes like decreased estrogen during menopause, leads to common signs of aging: fine lines and wrinkles, skin sagging and dryness, reduced skin thickness and volume, joint stiffness, and slower wound repair. One of the most cited clinical trials in this area, published in Skin Pharmacology and Physiology, 2014, found that daily oral collagen peptide supplementation significantly improves skin elasticity in women aged 35 to 55 after just 8 weeks. However, it's important to note that collagen supplements work by being digested into amino acids, which the body can then use, but only if it has the necessary cofactors like vitamin C, zinc, and copper. That's where nutrition becomes essential. Your body doesn't simply reuse collagen in its original form. It rebuilds it from the ground up using specific amino acids such as glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline, which are best supported by a nutrient-rich diet. This means that what you eat, especially collagen-supporting fruits, can dramatically influence how much collagen your body is able to regenerate. In the sections ahead, we'll explore the exact foods and nutrients that support this natural process and how daily habits can slow or even reverse visible collagen loss over time. The essential nutrients for collagen production. Collagen production doesn't happen automatically. It's a biologically demanding process that requires a network of specific nutrients to initiate and sustain. Without the right building blocks and cofactors, your body's ability to produce or repair collagen, especially after age 50, can be significantly impaired. Here are the 6 most essential nutrients involved in collagen synthesis. 1. Vitamin C. This water-soluble antioxidant is critical. It acts as a cofactor for 2 key enzymes, prolyl hydroxylase and L-YSYL hydroxylase, that help convert amino acids into stable collagen fibers. Without enough vitamin C, your body physically cannot produce or repair collagen. It's also vital for protecting existing collagen from oxidative damage. 2. Proline and glycine. These two amino acids form the bulk of collagen's triple helix structure. While the body can make small amounts, dietary intake becomes more important as you age. Found in high-protein foods like poultry, eggs, fish, and certain legumes, these amino acids are essential for maintaining strong, resilient connective tissues. 3. Zinc. Zinc contributes to the activation of collagen-producing enzymes and helps stabilize the skin structure. It also plays a significant role in wound healing and tissue repair, key for aging skin. 4. Copper. Copper supports cross-linking of collagen and elastin, enhancing the strength and elasticity of tissues. It also functions as an antioxidant, reducing collagen degradation caused by environmental stress. 5. Vitamin A. Found in both plant-based, beta-carotene, and animal-based sources, vitamin A helps prevent collagen breakdown and supports healthy skin cell turnover. 6. Omega-3 fatty acids. While not a structural component of collagen, omega-3s reduce inflammation that would otherwise degrade collagen, especially in the skin and joints. In a landmark study published by the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, researchers found that adults with higher dietary vitamin C intake had noticeably fewer wrinkles and drier skin, even when regularly exposed to sunlight. Next, we'll look at which fruits provide these nutrients in their most natural, absorbable forms. Top collagen-boosting fruits and how to use them. When it comes to improving collagen from the inside out, fruits offer some of the most powerful, bioavailable nutrients. Unlike pills or powders, fruits deliver a matrix of antioxidants, enzymes, and vitamins that support collagen synthesis and protect it from degradation. Let's break down the top collagen-friendly fruits and how to use them daily. Number 1. Guava, the vitamin C powerhouse. Guava is one of the richest natural sources of vitamin C, providing over 200 milligrams per 100 grams, according to USDA data. That's more than 4 times the vitamin C content of oranges. This makes guava an ideal fruit for boosting the enzymes that stabilize and assemble collagen molecules. It's also rich in lycopene, a potent antioxidant shown to protect collagen from breakdown due to UV radiation. A study published in Photochemistry and Photobiology highlighted lycopene's ability to reduce MMP, matrix metalloproteinase, activity, enzymes that destroy collagen under oxidative stress. How to use it? Slice fresh guava into cubes and mix with plain Greek yogurt. The combination of vitamin C and protein supports both collagen production and skin elasticity. For added fiber and gut health, leave the seeds in. Number 2. Kiwi, the unsung hero of skin health. Kiwi delivers a potent combination of vitamin C, vitamin E, and antioxidants. It's also high in actinidin, a proteolytic enzyme that aids digestion. Better digestion supports better nutrient absorption, which is essential for collagen synthesis. Interestingly, kiwi has also been shown to naturally increase serotonin levels. A 2011 study published in Asia-Pacific Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that eating kiwi before bed improved sleep onset, duration, and quality, all vital factors for skin regeneration. Real-life example. One 65-year-old woman in our practice began eating 1 kiwi every evening. Within weeks, she reported waking up with more hydrated skin and fewer nighttime awakenings. A small lifestyle change with visible results. How to use it? Slice kiwi and eat it as an evening snack. Pair it with a handful of walnuts to get some anti-inflammatory omega-3s. Number 3. Papaya, the digestive skin connection. Papaya is a multitasker when it comes to skin health. It's high in vitamin C, but also contains papain, a digestive enzyme that reduces inflammation and supports nutrient absorption. That combination helps ensure your body actually uses the amino acids and vitamins needed to build collagen. Additionally, papaya contains flavonoids and carotenoids that protect the skin against oxidative stress and photoaging. Tip for use. Blend half a cup of ripe papaya with unsweetened almond milk ice, and a scoop of collagen peptides for a morning smoothie. It's refreshing, anti-inflammatory, and supports collagen at multiple levels. Number 4, berries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, antioxidant shields. Berries are loaded with anthocyanins, pigments that give them their vibrant color and offer powerful protection for your skin's collagen fibers. A study in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry confirmed that anthocyanins inhibit collagenase, the enzyme responsible for collagen degradation. Strawberries are particularly high in vitamin C, while blueberries and raspberries offer high levels of quercetin and ellagic acid, antioxidants that support both skin tone and elasticity. How to use them? Keep a mix of frozen berries in your freezer and add to oatmeal, yogurt, or smoothies. They're especially beneficial when paired with vitamin E-rich nuts or seeds like almonds or flax. Number 5, mango. Skin repair from within. Mangoes are rich in beta-carotene, a precursor to vitamin A, which is critical for skin cell regeneration and collagen synthesis. Vitamin A supports dermal fibroblast function, the cells responsible for producing new collagen. Research published in Experimental Dermatology has linked higher beta-carotene intake with improved skin hydration and reduced wrinkle depth. Mangoes also contain enzymes that support digestion and flavonoids that help protect existing collagen from oxidative stress. Bonus benefit: many women have reported improvements in sunspots and hyperpigmentation after adding mango to their diet consistently. How to use it? Dice mango and mix with a few slices of avocado and lime juice for a bright, collagen-friendly fruit salad. Number 6, red bell peppers, the hidden collagen ally. Although commonly thought of as a vegetable, red bell peppers are technically a fruit and a collagen superstar. Just 100 grams of red bell pepper contain more vitamin C than an orange. They're also rich in capsanthin, a carotenoid with strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Vitamin C from bell peppers helps fuel collagen production, while antioxidants neutralize free radicals that degrade skin structure. Additionally, bell peppers contain silicon, a trace mineral that supports connective tissue integrity. How to use them? Roast red bell peppers with olive oil and herbs as a side dish, or chop raw into strips for snacking with hummus. They also add crunch and color to salads. Each of these fruits offers unique collagen-supportive nutrients, but their real power lies in how they work together. Guava boosts vitamin C, kiwi supports both digestion and antioxidant protection, berries block collagen-destroying enzymes, while mango and papaya add vitamin A and anti-inflammatory enzymes. Together, they form a foundation for radiant, resilient skin from the inside out. No injections required. Incorporating 2 to 3 servings of these fruits into your daily routine may support not just how your skin looks, but how it feels. In the next section, we'll take a closer look at the habits and foods that sabotage collagen and how to avoid them. The enemies of collagen. Even the most collagen-rich diet won't work if your daily habits are quietly sabotaging the process. Collagen synthesis and preservation are highly sensitive to your environment and lifestyle. Here are 5 of the most common collagen killers and the science behind why they matter. 1. Excess sugar. Refined sugar is one of the most destructive dietary factors for skin. It triggers the formation of advanced glycation end products, AGEs, harmful compounds formed when sugar binds to proteins like collagen. According to a study in the Journal of Clinical Investigation, AGEs make collagen fibers stiff, brittle, and disorganized, accelerating wrinkle formation and loss of elasticity. 2. Smoking. Tobacco exposure reduces oxygen and nutrient delivery to the skin, impairing fibroblast activity, the very cells that create collagen. Smoking also depletes vitamin C, a critical cofactor for collagen production. The result is accelerated thinning of the skin and deeper wrinkle development. 3. UV radiation. Prolonged exposure to ultraviolet light from the sun breaks down collagen through oxidative stress and increases levels of matrix metalloproteinases, MMPs, enzymes that degrade collagen in the dermis. Dermatologists recommend not only applying SPF daily, but also increasing intake of lycopene-rich foods such as guava, tomatoes, and red peppers, which offer internal photoprotection. 4. Chronic stress. Long-term stress elevates cortisol, a hormone that slows down fibroblast function and decreases the skin's regenerative capacity. Cortisol also increases inflammation, a process that speeds up collagen breakdown at the cellular level. 5. Inflammatory diets. Consuming highly processed foods, trans fats, and excessive omega-6 seed oils like corn or soybean oil disrupts the balance of anti-inflammatory nutrients in the body. This chronic inflammation not only breaks down collagen faster, but also prevents proper skin repair. Avoiding these common pitfalls, alongside nourishing your body with the right fruits and nutrients, can dramatically tip the scales in favor of healthier, firmer, more youthful skin. Real-life stories and implementation. Scientific studies tell us what can work, but personal experience shows us what does. Here are a few real-life stories from women over 60 who improve their skin and energy by focusing on collagen-friendly foods, not cosmetic procedures. Susan, 68, from crepey skin to smoother arms. Susan had spent years layering on expensive creams, hoping to reduce the crepey appearance of the skin on her forearms. After learning about the connection between sugar and collagen breakdown, she made one simple swap. She replaced her daily sugary cereal with Greek yogurt topped with fresh guava, chia seeds, and a handful of berries. She also began drinking more water and cut back on white bread. 3 months later, during a routine checkup, her dermatologist noted a visible improvement in skin texture and firmness. Susan said her skin no longer looked tired or loose, and friends began asking her what she had changed. Linda, 72, skin firmness and joint comfort. Linda, an avid gardener, was struggling with dry skin and joint stiffness. Inspired by the role of lycopene, she started eating a daily lunch of tomato and avocado salad, drizzled with olive oil. She also added omega-3 supplements and increased her water intake. Within 6 weeks, Linda noticed not only fewer aches in her hands and knees, but also a more supple texture in her facial skin. Her esthetician commented that her skin looked less dull and more hydrated. Simple ways to start boosting collagen naturally. Building a collagen-friendly lifestyle doesn't have to be overwhelming. Here are a few easy steps to integrate into your daily routine. Add a vitamin C-rich fruit to each meal, such as guava, kiwi, or mango. Include healthy fats like olive oil, flax seeds, or avocado to improve absorption. Drink at least half your body weight in ounces of water every day. Use smoothies to combine frozen berries, leafy greens, almond milk, and a scoop of collagen peptides. These habits don't just support collagen. They promote long-term skin health, energy, and confidence at any age. Here's the truth. Aging is natural, but aging without nourishment is optional. Your skin doesn't just reflect your age, it reflects your nutrition. And collagen isn't just about looking younger. It's about moving pain-free, healing faster, and feeling confident in your own skin. You don't need another miracle cream. You need consistent habits, the right nutrients, and foods that work with your biology, not against it. Start with just one change. Maybe it's adding guava to breakfast, or replacing sweetened yogurt with plain and tossing in kiwi and berries. Over time, these little shifts create noticeable, lasting results. And remember, the mirror can be a friend, not a foe, when what's on your plate is working for your skin, not against it. If you found this helpful, be sure to subscribe and check out my next video where we explore the link between gut health and glowing skin. You won't want to miss it.